Welcome. If you want to manage notifications on your WIKO Lenny 5, let's start from Opera settings. Then we have to move to the apps and notifications. Scroll down, and as you can see, there's our option notifications. So we can set up the notifications for a very application here. For example, for a Gmail, you can turn off the notification from this application. But of course we can also reset the settings on the lock screen, so we can show all of the notifications. We can also hide the sensitive content and just leave it with show all notification content. And the last option, it is the changing the sound of our notification. So currently set up on tilt, but we can change it for the dong or snap or the ukulele. Yeah, so pick your favorite and be happy, enjoy it. So thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.